Imagine a race that's more than just speed. It's a cultural celebration that's over 2,000 years in the making. Originally from China, where fierce dragon boats honored rain gods. Today, this adrenaline-pumping water sport is uniting over 70 countries, and now Jamaica.
We brought this tradition to Jamaica and added a fresh chapter to the story of cultural exchange between our two countries. I believe that the Jamaican people, known for their love of sports, will come to enjoy dragon boat racing just as much as we do. I hope more friends here will stand to see what's behind it. Teamwork, moving forward together, and aiming for success as one.
This remarkable tradition is being brought to Jamaica shores for the very first time is truly historic. It signals a deepening of the ties between Jamaica and the People's Republic of China and offers our citizens a unique window into the richness of Chinese heritage.
Every boat is a work of art, with majestic dragon heads, colorful scales, paddles that look like claws, and a pounding drum at the heart of it all. That beat keeps the teams energized as they race with passion and precision.
Jamaica has great potential to become a world beater in this sport, given its, of course, the fact that it blends sport and music. We are world beaters in both, so we anticipate that Nassau, we're coming for you, yes. I look forward very much, as I'm sure all of you do, to witnessing the energy and the perseverance of the competitors as their boats glide with bold colors and fierce dragon heads, the symbol of strength and determination today. Ladies and gentlemen, excellencies, the festival also embodies the ideals of resilience and unity, which are fundamental not only to the Chinese people, but indeed represent the pillars of the Jamaica-China partnership.
Organized by the Chinese Benevolent Association and Jamaica's Dragon Boat Federation, this two-day festival isn't just about competition. It's a lively fusion of Chinese tradition and Jamaican flavor.
Today, we not only celebrate this inaugural festival, but also look with immense excitement towards the future of dragon boat racing in Jamaica. This sport is more than just a competition, it's about teamwork, discipline, cultural exchange, and community. We envision a future where dragon boat racing flourishes across the island, bringing people together, fostering fitness, and perhaps even seeing Jamaican teams compete on the international stage.
11 teams from 12 nations brought their best to the water, showcasing strength, skill, and spirit. Jamaica won the Caribbean Championships ahead of the Bahamas, a sign of the island's growing love for the exciting sport.
We are racing the smallest of the dragon boats. We're racing the 10 paddler boat, whereas in Hong Kong they will race 20 and 50 paddler boats. So really massive boats, really faster, and very, very competitive, as you can well imagine, in Hong Kong and in China.
From ancient China to Jamaica's shores, the Dragon Boat Festival is more than just a race. It's a powerful symbol of cultural unity, community pride, and the thrill of crossing boundaries through tradition and sport.
Look, we have the harbor, so why not do it? And we have, this would be also very good for the Chinese Benevolent Association because this is a cultural event as well. And this is something we're just trying to introduce to Jamaica, one more asset, and then, you know, we'll just get the mingling of the cultures, and this is what we're all about.
For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.